Hey people, welcome back to another plan with me and my Aura Estelle A5 wide cloud. For those of you that are new here, I've uncoiled my Erin Condren LifePlanner and converted the sheets to fit A5 wide size. There's a video coming soon so you can see how I did it. Just stay tuned. This week I thought I'd get a little festive and commemorate Memorial Day. As you've already seen in the title, this kit is from KaysiCreates. That's my girl, y'all. Love her kits, love her shop. This particular kit is no longer available, but she does have a new kit to replace it. I'll link it down in the description box. Be sure to tell Casey that Keena sent you. Use the code Keena15 for some money off. Now, if she's already having a sale, take advantage of that. I'm all for saving them coins, sis. Save them coins. In that case, use the notes section to put my code in for a cute little freebie. All right, I'll be quiet now so you can enjoy the planning sesh. Make sure you head over to KaysiCreates.com, check out her weekly and budget kits as well as her functional items. All right, here's my Memorial Day spread. She ready. And as always, thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and of course subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Toodaloo.